Hi everyone and welcome to Classic Cars Cheap. In today's video, we're going to take a look at 14 classic cars that are available on the market for next to nothing. Stick around for some fantastic deals. Number 1. The 1939 Chevrolet Master Deluxe Hot Rod, priced at $24,000. According to the seller, this 39 Chevy is powered by a small block with a Dyer supercharger, paired with a newly replaced automatic transmission. As the seller notes, the car is rust-free, has been garaged, and has never been exposed to rain or snow. The body is red with a black interior. Chrome headers and a fiberglass hood are included in the sale. The undercarriage is said to be clean. The mileage is listed at 20,000 miles. Location: Schuylkill County, Pennsylvania. Number 2. The 1930 Ford 5-window coupe, priced at $30,000. According to the seller, this 1930 Ford is an all-steel hot rod with only 700 miles on the clock since its completion. Powered by a Summit Crate 350 small block, 30 over bore, equipped with two 650 CFM 4-barrel carburetors. The engine is mated to a Super T10 4-speed manual transmission and a Hurst shifter. Power is sent to a Ford 9-inch rear axle with 3.55 gears and a locker. The car rides on a speedway frame, a Heights front suspension, and a 4-link rear system. Coilovers are installed on all 4 wheels. Braking is via 4-wheel discs. Weld racing wheels complete the look. Price: $30,000 or best offer. Location: Elm City, North Carolina. Number 3. The 1933 Ford Victoria, priced at $25,000. According to the seller, this 1933 Ford Vicky is a street rod with a fiberglass body and has only covered about 6,000 miles since it was built. It is powered by a 350 small block mated to a TH350 automatic transmission. It is equipped with Willwood brakes. The exterior is red. The interior is finished in gray. The seller lists the price at $25,000. Location: Boone, Iowa. Number 4. The 1931 Studebaker Dictator Coupe, priced at $38,000. A rarer choice in the hot rod world, this 1931 Studebaker is claimed to be a professionally built, rust-free, all-steel example. According to the seller, it was built for $70,000 in Arizona. It is all new, not a rebuild. Powered by a 350 engine, TH400 automatic transmission, air conditioning. The odometer shows just over 2,000 miles since it was built. The exterior is blue. The interior is tan. The seller is open to partial trades. A clean title is available. Location: Meriden, Kansas. Number 5. The 1934 Plymouth PE, priced at $33,000. According to the seller, this 1935 Plymouth is a genuine steel street rod, powered by a new 454 big block making 430 horsepower, equipped with Manley rods, SRP pistons, and a Holley 750 double pumper carburetor. Fuel is pumped by an electric pump. Power is sent through a TH350 automatic transmission to a Ford rear axle with 3.73 gears. The car is equipped with a Vega steering system, 32-inch chrome steering column, Dolphin gauges, GM front disc brakes, and a locker shifter. It is equipped with classic chrome Trier headlights and 1950 Pontiac taillights. The fuel tank is 16 gallons. The seller calls this a serious street car, not just a showpiece. No trades accepted. Location: Baltimore County, Maryland. Number 6. The 1933 Plymouth Coupe, priced at $21,500. According to the seller, this 1933 Plymouth is powered by a 350 small block and a 700 R4 automatic transmission. It is configured as a daily driver with modern features: power windows, tilt steering, aluminum radiator with electric fan, LED lights, full auxiliary gauges, including a tachometer, and a 17.5-gallon fuel tank. It rides on Craigar wheels and new tires. It is listed as a 1933 Plymouth. The seller is open to trades, and is particularly interested in 2000s Corvettes. Location: LaPorte, Indiana. Number 7. The 1932 Ford 3-window coupe, priced at $55,000. According to the seller, this 1932 Ford has a fiberglass body and is powered by a 388 small block, turbo 400 automatic transmission. The front suspension is a Superbell 4-inch axle with Bilstein shocks and front and rear sway bars. The rear suspension is a triangulated 4-link system with Alden adjustable coilovers and a Johns 9-inch rear axle. Additional features: working power windows and cowling vents. Exterior color: burn. Location: Litz, Pennsylvania. Number 8. The 1929 Ford Model latud, priced at $30,000. This original steel hot rod is powered by a ZZ4 small block engine and a 700 R4 automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car has clocked about 7,000 miles since its completion. The exterior paint remains a shiny silver. Open to trades, especially with pre-1975 classics like Bronco, Blazer, Chevelle, Tri-5 Chevy, Camaro, Mustang, and others in similar condition. Not interested in motorcycles, boats, ATVs, projects, or junk. Location: Jefferson County, Ohio. Number 9. The 1931 Ford Model A, priced at $19,500. This original steel car uses a small block 289 with a mild cam and AC4 automatic transmission. It features a Locher 4-speed shifter. It features 4-wheel disc brakes, a Speedway front suspension, tilt steering, and custom wheels and tires. All doors lock with a single key. The windshield opens. Interior: 2005 Mazda front seats with lumbar support, rear seat from a Jeep that folds down. Additional features: tinted windows, CB radio, GPS speedometer, fuel gauge, multicolor chassis lights, 15-gallon fuel tank, rebuilt carburetor, custom frame, new roof, and alternator. The seller says the car handles well at 65 miles per hour. A clean title is available. No trades accepted. Location: Titusville, Florida. Number 10. The 1933 Plymouth 5-window coupe, priced at $59,999. Custom build with steel body, powered by a 355 small block engine and turbo 3-speed automatic transmission, Ford 3.07 rear axle. Mustang front suspension, rack and pinion, 4-link coilover rear. Other upgrades: aluminum cylinder heads, electronic ignition, custom radiator with integrated AC condenser, automatic electric fan. Interior: Infiniti Q35 power leather seats, tilt steering wheel, power windows, 3-point seat belts, overhead stereo, iPod dock, custom leather by Sabatino, including trunk. Additional: handmade metal fenders, custom vinyl roof, custom grille, Raider wheels, J-coated headers, equipped with AC and heater. Location: Livingston, New Jersey. Number 11. The 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $49,000. Powered by a 496 big block engine with Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads and a polished WN supercharger. Support systems: polished B-Cool radiator and vintage air conditioning. TH400 automatic transmission, Ford 9-inch rear axle with PY unit. Body is original and solid, shows natural aging but still looks good. Interior: black, restored. Additional features: custom 3-inch stainless exhaust system, weld rod light wheels. This car is suitable for both street and 1/8 mile racing. Investment: approximately $90,000, $30,000 for drivetrain alone. Location: Huntington Beach, California. Number 12. The 1950 Plymouth Suburban, priced at $49,500. According to the seller, this 1950 Plymouth wagon was completely restored over a 10-year period at a cost of about $100,000. Since then, it has only been driven about 3,300 miles. It has never been exposed to rain or hosed down. Chrysler 360 small block engine with 300 plus HP, 727 automatic transmission. Heights independent rear suspension, 3.08 gears. Mustang Fatman front suspension, Wildwood disc brakes on all four wheels. The interior is fully restored and comfortable for even a tall driver. Location: Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. Number 13. The 1923 Ford C-Cab, priced at $50,000. This 1923 C-Cab hot rod has a hand-built frame, powered by a big block with an 871 supercharger and a TH400 automatic transmission. It features a Franklin quick-change rear axle and four-wheel disc brakes. The exterior is striking, painted green with metallic gold flakes and multicolored flames. The entire finish is sealed with 2 gallons of clear coat. The paintwork changes sheen depending on the angle, making it difficult to capture in photos. The interior is finished in diamond tuck seats from front to back. The seller estimates the total cost of the components is $100,000. Labor is estimated to be twice that amount. The car is streetable and very reliable. It is listed as a 1923 and is known to attract attention. Price is non-negotiable. No trades accepted. Location: Hampstead, New Hampshire. Number 14. The 1932 Ford 3-window coupe, priced at $38,500. According to the seller, this 1932 coupe is built on an original boxed frame. It has a fiberglass body with a 5-inch chop top. The engine is a Ford Boss 302. It is equipped with a vintage Offenhauser tunnel ram and an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor. It has been recently serviced, new spark plugs, MSD 8.5 mm wires, and retuned. C6 automatic transmission, B&M Magnum shifter. The front suspension is a 6-inch drop axle with disc brakes and hairpins. The rear suspension is a 9-inch axle with transverse leaf springs and original 1932 radius rods. New tires have been installed. It has aluminized headers. The exterior has been recently repainted with AkzoNobel Lesinal black base clear coat. According to the seller, only the finest materials were used for this upgrade. Other features: power windows, new locking door handles, and a modified original 1932 shell grille. Interior uses VDO gauges. Seat upholstery shows wear, but still looks decent. Seller is in person only. No phone or consignment sales. Listed as a 1932 Ford Deluxe. Location: Urea, Nebraska. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on the notifications.